So let's make some homemade cranberry sauce. While they're soaking, you know I had to try one. They taste like pucker plums from back in the day. Anybody remember pucker plums? You put it in your mouth and you go, woo, tart. So I see why you shouldn't eat them. So we're going to let these continue to soak until we make them into cranberry sauce. This is the recipe on the cranberries. 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, 3 cups cranberries. But that seems a little plain. I actually looked and found another recipe. And with it, you use cranberries and orange juice and brown sugar and white sugar. And that's what the one we're going to do. We have drained our berries, cleaned them up. We had a couple that were suspect, so we got rid of them. And we've got our berries in here with our sugars and our orange juice and our water. And it said be careful because it will pop. And it most certainly is. So we're going to lower the heat a little bit. You're supposed to let it boil again. And then once it starts boiling, you're supposed to lower the heat. Put a lid on it because it is popping. Y'all see that? They said it would pop. And they are. I guess as the berries burst, they pop. So we're going to put a lid on it and let it boil for about 10 more minutes. But we will stir it constantly. It is so fragrant. It smells so good. But we're going to keep stirring. We are sizzling. Let's pull off the top, see what it looks like. Don't want to get popped. Oh, nice and thick. You're supposed to pull it off and let it cool and then strain it. And it's thick now, but it will get even thicker. It will get even thicker. We like thick cranberry sauce, so I was hoping it wouldn't be a watery something. So this will be, I'm going to be a bad girl. I'm going to let it boil. Let it cook for about 5 or 10 more minutes. I want it really, really thick. I'm just too excited. Look how pretty that is. So we're going to let it cool. And then we're going to strain it. And get out all the berries. And we should have us some thick cranberry sauce. This is what we have ended with. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We have got cranberry sauce. You get it and you let it sit in the refrigerator and it gets even thicker and thicker and thicker. Let's see what it tastes like. It tastes like cranberry sauce. That is really, really good. That's good. If you've never tried it, try it. This is probably what I'll do from now on. Because it's really good. Alright, y'all stay safe. Take care. Bye. I will finish up by saying I put mine in my magic bullet because it does have little seeds and I want it to grind up the little seeds. All right, this is what it looked like. Y'all have a happy Thanksgiving.